So our Riyadh is literally located right in the old Medina. I mean, very old. This is our Riyadh. And when you walk in, it's very unassuming. As a matter of fact, we walked right by it all the way to the end of the alleyway here, wondering where it was, and it turned out it was right here. It even says Maya Fez Lounge and Spa. So we came, we knocked on the door, he opened it up, we came in. It's okay, it's just me. And you walk into this beautiful lobby. And it was at one time the home of a very wealthy gentleman, politically connected, all that stuff. It dates from the 1400s. And this is the interior here. Originally this, like any Riyadh, most Riyadhs, at least my understanding is there's no adornment on the outside. You walk beyond the door and that's when you see everything what the Riyadh really is. I forget the reason for that, but in any case, and we are up there. This is the first floor, I guess the second floor. We're up there on the third floor. So originally this was open to the sky. It's now glass enclosed, so all the weather. And this is kind of like the lounge for all the hotel guests. It was totally renovated, I was told 6 or 7 years ago. And so it's been a functional hospitality suite now for 7 years. So to go up, elevator. Elevator's a bit slow. It's very ornate, as you will see. But I think you're seeing more how slow it is. It only goes up to the second floor. They count the first floor as 0. That seems to be a typical thing, I think, everywhere in the world except the US. Trust me, eventually the door's going to open. And there we go. So it's a very pretty elevator. And then we go up to second floor. I haven't looked to see what's up on the third. The third is the outside deck, if I'm not mistaken, which overlooks the Medina. But very pretty elevator. A little small, not for the claustrophobic at heart. Oh my God, and we're still not up to the second floor yet. Not an Otis elevator. And it opens up onto our level, and I think this is where the 3 suites are. We are in, I thought it was the presidential suite they call it, but they call it something else. We are in the Imperial. Yeah, the Imperial suite. So, this is our suite. Actually, these 2 windows are on either side of our suite.
Well, hello, welcome to my kingdom.
It's very ornate. Really quite lovely. Not much of a view outside. I mean, this is the largest, what's the word again, Steve? Medina in the world. And it's also the oldest in Morocco, I believe. So, and it looks like it's the oldest in Morocco, but the buildings, once you get inside them, are incredibly beautiful. So, nice king-size bed. You have these windows that open or close out onto your, they call it a balcony, I would call it a, I don't know, veranda. Nice large closet to put your stuff in. These are all, my understanding is a lot of this stuff in here is antiques. My desk is where I'll hopefully get some videos done and be able to get them uploaded. The mother of pearl furniture is, if that's your thing, it's gorgeous. It's not my thing. I find it personally a bit gaudy, but they're absolutely gorgeous. Everything here is like mother of pearl, except the old tiles on the floor. And of course, my little guy, he's no mother. And then the bathroom. The bathroom's very nice. Disappointed. We have a tub with a shower handle up. I did not know that. I would have insisted on a shower had I known that, but is what it is. Thankfully, we have a nozzle to clean the tushy. Double sinks. Not going to complain about that. And yeah, I mean, it's quite lovely, but you know, the view out. Let me show you the old Medina, what we look out on too.
Other side.
Huh?
The views on the other side.
I know that, Steve. So this is what we look out onto, the old Medina. Nothing special, very old, but we have to go upstairs and look at the, see what's going on upstairs. And so now let me take you outside. The outside. This wonderful wraparound. Nice lounge area for, I guess it's for the third floor guests. And we look down onto the, let's call it courtyard for lack of whatever. And this is not wraparound. But we gotta go upstairs, see what's going on up there. Steve, you wanna come upstairs with me? Yeah. So let's go exploring, see what's up on the third floor. Also, they do have the glass roof open.
Yeah. She said that's all new though.
This is very nice.
This glass door is not the original.
So they have a toilet on the third floor. This is very nice up here. Look at the view. Oh my God. That is one incredible view.
This is so cool.
See the wall up there, Steve? Really very, very nice. Very nice, very authentic. Oh my God, it doesn't get any more authentic than this. Very pretty. Now what's over in that? Or is that where we came up through? No, that's not. I mean that view. That's where we came in. I'm assuming this is the dining room up here. It has to be. I didn't see a dining room anywhere else. This is very lovely.
I
You
failed
like?
to ask where we go to eat.
That's true, she never told us. That wasn't part of the spiel. So,
I think it's
okay, so, I mean, that's it. That's the Riyadh Fez Maya here in Fez. And yeah, that's it for today. Bye.